If you saw my last video about XRP and RLUSD inside corporation treasury dashboards, this is the part that's going to make it real. Because what I'm about to show you is not new. It's been building for over a decade. GTreasury is now called Ripple Treasuries, has been a Swiss certified partner since 2014, not 2025, not when Ripple bought it, but 2014. Wow, crazy. Now, let me explain how this partnership with GTreasuries and Swift started in 2014. Let me explain it. This is Dcryptofan. All we do is talk crypto and make it easy for you to learn. No hype, no cap. Let's get into it. And not just any partner. They were the first company in North America selected by Swift, an application service provider. Okay? Swift is the backbone of global banking with over 11,000 financial institutions with more than 200 countries. Every major bank, every major corporation runs through Swift. And this platform has been plugged into the system for over a decade. And now here's where it gets real. Ripple Treasury is also connected to PNC Bank, one of the largest banks in the United States. We're talking about real-time reporting, immediate payments, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and automated regulation. This is not theory, that's operational, which means this companies don't have to change anything. They don't need new systems. They don't need to learn crypto. The system is already connected. So when Ripple acquired this platform, they didn't just buy software. They bought a decade of trust, a decade of infrastructure, a decade of relationships inside a global banking system. And now they're adding XRP and RUSD right on top of it. And now I want to be very clear. XRP is not replacing Swift. XRP is not directly connected to Swift. What's happening is more strategic than that. Ripple's meeting corporations exactly where they already are, inside the system they already trust, and placing XRP right alongside traditional finance, connecting the Swift and connecting the PNC Bank. And now XRP is sitting right inside of it. Someone called XRP the silent settlement layer. And honestly, that might be the most accurate description yet. They're not asking anyone to change. They're just quietly making XRP part of the infrastructure that already runs the world. That's not hype. That's a master plan. If you learn something, hit like, hit subscribe. So basically, XRP is not connecting to Swift. XRP is using Ripple treasuries that's already connected to Swift since 2014 that they already own. Very strategic. This is Dcryptofan, where all we do is talk crypto and make it easy for you to learn. No hype, no cap. If you know this can help somebody, hit a repost and hit a share. I go live 7:30, 5 days a week on TikTok. You can find me on Facebook, IG, and YouTube for deeper analysis. Crypto Gang Gang, if you learn something new, leave a comment. This is Dcryptofan. Let's go.